Okay guys, my braces are fixed, or 2 of 3 are fixed. I don't know how updated you are about that problem. I have these braces which were broken. It was broken and there was only one brace of 4 still holding the fairing. So basically the fairing was holding by the 2 sides where the flasher are connecting, which is pretty strong, but the higher or the upper section of the fairing, I said, was just holding with this brace here, because this one is broken and these were broken as well. So now, as you can see, it's a strong fix with a 3/16 of inch plate. It won't break in the bend, that's for sure. The only thing left to do is spray it black so it blend. When I will open the fairing, nothing will show, or pretty much nothing will show. With all the wiring and all the stuff in there, you won't see a thing. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later.